and welcome to another fun video craft tutorial brought to you by the Hedberg Public Library. I'm Claire, your innovation librarian, and today I'm going to be going over the tutorials on how to put together your homemade holiday craft kits. Today I'm going to be working on our snowflake kits. Just a reminder that all of these snowflake kits can be picked up starting on Friday, and these kits will be available until they are all gone.
When you pick up your kit from the library, it's going to come in these pre-packaged bags. Each bag is going to have everything that you need to create your snowflake. This is going to include our wire spoke that you're going to thread your beads on, along with instructions. Each bag has a corresponding letter on it which tells you which snowflake you have and how you're going to thread your beads on to each of your spokes. I recommend starting with one spoke at a time, starting at the top, threading your beads in the pattern you wish, or you can also follow any of the pre-made designs here as well.
Once you have your pattern all designed on how you like it, the next part is you're going to be bending over this top open part into about a half circle so that way it stays closed. You can do this by hand, it's a little tough, so I do recommend getting some jewelry pliers or any other kind of pliers that you might have around. And you're just gonna grab the top of it here and carefully curl the top of it. Once it curls a little bit more, so it's kind of like in this little hook shape, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the top of it. And there we go. Now my beads won't fall off of it. Now I'm going to continue the same thing using the same pattern along all of the other spokes. And ta-da! It's as easy as that. And now you have your beautiful snowflake ornament that you can go ahead and hang on your tree, decorate your walls with, or give to a loved one for this holiday season. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact the Hedberg Public Library, and be sure to stop by every Friday from now until December 15th to pick up your next homemade holiday kit.